Breaking news in Kimberly Fry's murder trial. The jurors have reached a verdict in a case of the North Kingstown mother accused of strangling her only child.
Kimberly Fry is guilty of the second-degree murder of her 8-year-old daughter, Camden. Eyewitness News reporter Sean Daly has the details live in South Kingstown now with the South County Mobile Newsroom.
Kimberly Fry faces the possibility of a life prison sentence after a jury convicted her of second-degree murder in the strangulation death of her own daughter. It was a relatively quick verdict. After deliberating for only about 6.5 hours over 2 days, a jury of 7 women and 5 men found Kimberly Fry guilty of second-degree murder in the killing of her young daughter 2 years ago, 8-year-old Camden Fry. Defense lawyers had argued the death was an accident.
First and foremost, our thoughts today are with Camden Fry and with the Fry family. And on behalf of all of those involved in the investigation and the prosecution, I would like to commend the courage and the fortitude of the Fry family for seeing this case through.
Kimberly Fry now faces the possibility of a sentence of life in prison. If she does get life, she would be eligible for parole after 20 years. Eyewitness News spoke briefly with 2 jurors as they were leaving the courthouse, including the foreman of the jury.
No, I really have no comments at all. I'm sorry.
Was it a difficult deliberation? How about that, just broadly speaking? Was it hard?
It's been a difficult month.
The deliberation's difficult?
Yes.
Could you tell us how so?
No comment.
Thank you.
Emotions ran high for everyone involved in this case, for the jurors, for the Fry family, for the police, for the lawyers on both sides, and not least for Kimberly Fry herself. Live at Superior Court with the South County Mobile Newsroom, Sean Daly, Eyewitness News.